Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to link PlayStation Network with Rockstar Social Club. Follow these easy steps to link your PSN account with your Social Club account. Open browser and open Social Club website and make sure to sign into your Social Club account. And now click on your profile photo at the top right and click on settings. And here select linked accounts, and here you will get PlayStation Network. Just click on link account, and if you already sign into your PSN account on your browser, then here you will get your PSN account. Now you can change your account visibility for PlayStation Network from here and click on continue. And that's it. As you can see, my PSN account has been successfully connected with my Social Club account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.